how to save a route on Google Maps. So what we can simply do is we can choose any destination where we want to go, and here I am choosing a destination. I'm searching for it, and here we go, and I will simply click on the destination, and we will get to see a direction option. We can click on it, and wherever we want to reach after that, we can click on that particular place, and here we will get the option to go from like a car or from by like walking. You'll get the option and the particular time. I mean, how much time will it take? And after that, we can simply here we can see the options. I will just show you and the route, how much it will take. And how you can save this route is you can simply click on the option which is given there, copy link. You can copy the link and you can simply send it to yourself on your phone or your iPads or your any of the your particular social medias or wherever you like to. And yeah, that is how you can save a route on Google Maps.